Yeah, my brothers and sisters, this man is a real man. It's a reality. He come from Sierra Leone, far away journey. 8 days in the road to come to Ghana. 8 days. So he's the best man. This man can change your life. He's the only man that can change your life. Without this man, no one can change your life.
And we're doing things like how we know it.
Exactly.
I'm here to help you people.
He's the real man. The real
I
chief.
cannot cheat you and collect your money. Even if you send your money to me, or if you come here and we cannot do it, I will return your money to you. That is how I told my brother. He is from Sierra Leone, and he come here and we change his life. So try your best to come to me and I'll change your life for you.
That's true.
And so today, you just stop suffering. All your suffering will start today, 2023.
Amen.
And so make sure you spend the money like.
There is no human blood, human sacrifice, nothing. We can help you, bless you. Okay?
So try to call me.
Thank you very
This
much.
is his documents.
This is my passport.
The passport is from Sierra Leone.
I'm a Sierra Leonean.
So you see everything.
Yeah.